Hey traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into one of the most powerful indicators for day trading, and that is the MACD. All right, we're going to be talking about the MACD, which is short for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Okay, so if you're looking for a way to identify momentum shifts, confirm trends, and spot high probability trade setups, this video is for you. We're just going to be covering the best MACD settings for day trading, how to use MACD crossovers to time your trades, how to filter out false signals for better accuracy, and how to combine MACD with other indicators for stronger confirmations. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use MACD like a pro in your day trading strategy. So let's just get started. Before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly go over what the MACD indicator is and how it works. All right. Now, the MACD is a momentum-based indicator that helps traders spot trend changes and strength. It consists of three components: the MACD line, which is the difference between two exponential moving averages, usually the 12 period and the 26 period EMAs. Okay, so it helps to identify momentum shifts. Then we have the signal line, which is the 9 period of the MACD line. Okay, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal, and when it crosses below, it's bearish. Okay, and finally we have the histogram bars. This represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. If the histogram is growing, momentum is strong. If it starts to shrink, momentum is fading. All right, so understanding this component is key to using MACD effectively in day trading. All right, now let's talk about the best MACD settings for day trading. While the default is 12.26.9. While the default works well for swing trading, they can be a bit too slow for intraday setups. So for faster signals, you can try adjusting your MACD settings to 6 for the fast EMA, 13 for the slow EMA, and 5 for the MACD SMA. Okay, now these settings provide quicker crossovers and stronger momentum signals, making them more suitable for day traders working with the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, or the 1-hour chart. Okay, so now that we have our settings optimized, let's just quickly talk about how to use MACD for day trading step by step. Now, the first step is to identify the trend direction. Okay, before entering a trade, use a higher time frame like the 1-hour chart or the 4-hour chart. Okay, use these higher time frames to identify the overall market trend. All right, so you need to get an idea of the overall market trend, and based on what we can see here, the overall market trend is a sell trend. Okay, trading in the direction of the trend increases accuracy. It increases your chances of success. The next step is to wait for an MACD crossover. Okay, a bullish crossover happens when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, right? This indicates a potential buy setup. A bearish crossover happens when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, suggesting a possible sell trade. Okay, then the next step is to confirm with the histogram. Okay, the histogram should be going in the direction of your trade. For example, since we had identified that the overall trend, the general trend on the higher time frame is a sell trend, then you'll be looking for sell opportunities. All right, look out for sell opportunities when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, and then you have the histogram bars going in the direction of the crossover. It shows that there is bearish momentum. Then you can enter a sell in the direction of the trend. All right, then the next step is to enter your trade and manage the trade. Okay, once the MACD gives a confirmed signal, you can enter the trade and place a stop loss. If it is a buy trade, you can place your stop loss below the recent swing low. For example, let's say we enter the buy around here. So your stop loss can be below the recent swing low. But if it is a sell trade, you can place your stop loss above the recent swing high. Now, day traders typically aim for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio to maximize gains while limiting risk. Okay. Then the final step is to combine with other indicators. MACD works best when paired with supports and resistance levels. All right. These levels are crucial. They are very important levels on your chart, so do not neglect them. Okay, do not neglect these levels. These levels can give you a heads up as to potential reversal points. All right. You can also combine the MACD with moving averages, for example. You can combine with moving averages. You can combine with RSI. All right. Any other indicator of your choice, basically, you can combine the MACD with other indicators to help you filter out false signals and improve your overall trade accuracy. Okay. Now, day traders need to be aware of false signals. It is important to take note that false signals could happen. All right. No indicator is foolproof. No indicator guarantees 100% accuracy. So every trader ought to be aware of that fact. Now, here's how to avoid common mistakes that day traders make. Okay. The first is, do not trade every crossover blindly. All right. Always wait for confirmation from the histogram and price action. Okay. It is necessary. It is important to always wait for confirmation from your histogram bars and from price action itself. Perhaps candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all of that. Okay. Secondly, avoid choppy or sideways markets. Avoid choppy or sideways markets. All right. MACD works best in trending conditions. Whenever you notice that the histogram bars are beginning to get short, just avoid the market. Okay. Finally, use a stop loss to protect against reversals. All right. Never risk too much on a single trade. It is necessary, okay, to protect your capital, to protect your accounts. Do not risk too much on a single trade. So by following these rules, you'll be able to filter out weak signals and improve your overall trade accuracy. And that is it, traders. Now you know exactly how to use MACD for day trading to spot high probability setups and time your trades with confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below. Do you use MACD in your trading strategy? What is your experience been like? Let us get the discussion going. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.